Welcome to KBM Extrusion Machine Private Limited, where innovation meets sustainability. Our process begins as waste material is efficiently conveyed to the shredder, breaking it down into manageable pieces. From the shredder, the material moves seamlessly onto the conveyor, then to the friction washer, ensuring thorough cleaning. Next, it enters the hot wash tank, where powerful heat and agitation lift away contaminants. Continuing its journey, the material passes through the sink float tank, separating any remaining impurities. Horizontal dewatering extracts excess moisture, preparing the material for the next stage. In the heating chamber, hot wind tubes further dry and sterilize the material, ensuring purity. Stored in our bunker tank, the clean material awaits its transformation. As it flows onto the conveyor, precision cutting by our cutter Compactor creates uniform pieces. Passing through the melt filter guarantees optimal quality before entering the screen changer. From there, it moves to the die phase cutter, shaping the material into perfect granules. Finally, at KBM, we proudly produce high-quality granules ready to be utilized in various applications. KBM Extrusion Machine Private Limited, empowering sustainable solutions. Contact us today to learn more about our innovative processes.